So mga ating, etong ating Peslak. Mukha siyang nakakatakot ngayon kasi medyo sunog tayo sa beach. I'm gonna have like a product review. One of my good friend in the Philippines, a professional friend of mine who works in pharmaceutical department, actually messaged me about the soap. Pero kahapon pa ako gustong gumawa ng review kasi bothered lang talaga ako. Just a little bit. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mama Sandy. Just letting you know, I just got back from a month-long vacation in the Philippines nitong June 2024. I will have a separate vlog about that, but right now I'm just gonna talk about Kojic soap. Part of my vacation is to look for products that actually helps my skin, and at this time, pag nagbabakasyon tayo, alam natin na mangingitim tayo kung pupunta man tayo sa beach. So, I know Kojisan is one of the soap na ginagamit sa atin, and akala ko talaga ito yung sabon na ginagamit ko palagi dito sa Hawaii, which is kojic acid soap also. But then when I went, I was looking for my brand and I couldn't find it. Come to find out, ito pala yung uso sa Pinas, yung kulay plain na orange. Saka yung hinahanap ko kasi yung brand ko na hindi ko naman na-realize na iba rin pala. But this soap is almost the same size as the one that I'm using. But the problem is, hindi siya yung katulad ng ginagamit ko. Pero ano siya, mabango din, but it's half stronger yung amoy niya kumpara dun sa current na ginagamit ko. And I don't mind the smell. I just like the fact that nakakatulong siya to minimize yung melanin production natin, which is nakakaitim. So this is what my current kojic acid soap look like. Just for those in case na nagtatanong bakit mukha siyang weird. I bought it at this store, Asian store sa tapat mismo ng tirahan ko. And it's called Don Quijote, which is pretty common in Japan. Don Quijote sells this soap, yung binibili ko palagi. And inside this store, they have Belo, papaya soap, Likas papaya, Silka, etc. But this is my brand pala. If you notice, it's different from our Kojisan. It's Kojic lang nakalagay. It's actually from the Philippines, and pero yung formulation pala is from Japan. But I'm trying to look for this type sa Pinas kasi tingnan mo naman ang presyo be, $8.49. $8.49, magkano din yun sa pesos, diba? Sorry, gutom na me. And Silka papaya, I have that too before. And itong kojic soap na to, plain yung binili ko. Hindi yung may glutathione kasi I'm not a big fan of glutathione. We can talk about that glutathione later on. But I like kojic soap better because it just stops the melanin formation, which is responsible for yung kung may mga spots ka, lalong mangingitim. And now, I'm gonna go show you tong brand na ginagamit ko. I think siguro nakatatlong bar na rin ako nito since I discovered Kojic soap. Nabasa ko lang, tsaka napanood ko sa YouTube. I-note lang natin na this soap is actually made in the Philippines and yung formulation is from Japan lang. Hindi ko lang gets ang tanong kasi, bakit hindi ko siya makita sa Pilipinas? So what's the difference to? It's actually made in the Philippines and it works pretty well for me. Sa akin lang kung makita nyo, itry nyo kung gusto nyo. Pero wala akong nakitang ganito sa Pilipinas when I was there sa Watsons, sa Mercury. Tingnan nyo yung iba ang kulay. Packaging is almost the same in a plastic, pero ang difference is para siyang merong parang gel na hindi ko maintindihan. Ang amoy pala nito is like parang yung Kojisan din, except it's a little bit stronger, which is tolerable sa akin. Hindi siya mabaho or strong chemical or whatever, but then it does smell something na parang sweet na hindi ko magets. Pero ito itsura no, tingnan mo, parang may gulaman, ang sarap kainin, hindi ko maintindihan. Pero pag mga nasa Pilipinas, may nakita pa kayong ganito? wala akong makita. Dito ko lang talaga siya makita. The reason why I'm asking is I'm hoping na nung last vacation ko, sana nakabili ako. Pero wala. Ang nabili ko lang talaga yung ating plain Kojic soap. Tingnan mo yung sa kabila. Ayan, oh. Yung Kojic Sun brand natin, which is 300 plus pesos for 6 bars. Pero tong isa, it's $8 plus per bar yung nandito. Pero yung efficacy nito sa akin, talagang nalalighten yung aking mga dark spots. I wouldn't really call it freckles. It's more like sunspots yung sa face ko, no? But yeah, the only reason why I use this is na para hindi pumuti. Pero gusto ko po talaga na ay, ano ba yan? And finally, this is our Kojic Sun soap in 6 bar box, and sana ang laking tipid, no, kung available yung brand ko dyan sa Pinas. But anyway, please comment down below and tell me if you're using this soap. Thank you!